Good day everyone, my name is Wang Yuan. The metric number is 2212220x61. Let me begin by introducing my group team members. The first is Emerging, second Muhammad Nakib bin Jamil, third is Muhammad Shami Arif bin Amil, fourth is Afifa Aina binti Tajul Ashar, and last is Hani Nasra binti Muhammad Zali. We are from Group 21A05 and today we are excited to present our strategic analysis on SEO Group Berhad as part of our strategic management course. SEO is a Malaysian-based company listed on the SEA market of Busan, Malaysia. With over 30 years of experience in the electrical product distribution sector, the company has built a strong reputation by offering a diverse range of products, including electrical components, lighting system, solar energy equipment, CCTV, and EV chargers. What makes SEO stand out is its strategic partnership with top-tier international brands such as ABB, Schneider Electric, and Siemens. These areas strengthen product credibility and ensure access to reliable supply chains and technical support. However, SEO is currently facing several challenges. Although the company recorded a 3.7% increase in revenue in FY 2024, reaching 137.41 million ringgit Malaysia, its net profit dropped significantly by 47%, down to 3.02 million ringgit Malaysia. This indicated issue with profit margin and operational efficiencies. Although major concerns is the company's weak online presence, with underdeveloped digital infrastructure and e-commerce platform, SEO struggle to compete effectively in today's digital-first markets. Moreover, SEO relies heavily on the Johor markets, which exposes it to regional economic fluctuations and limit national growth potentials. Despite these challenges, SEO has exciting opportunity ahead. The company is well positioned to benefit from Malaysia's push for green energy and EV adoption, supported by government incentives. Additionally, large-scale infrastructure projects in Johor, such as the RTS, SEZ, and Forest City, are expected to boost demand for construction and electrical products. SEO is expanding into the East Coast regions like Pahang and Kelantan, which will help reduce geography dependence and tap into new customer segments. In summary, while SEO facing clear challenges, it has the foundation and opportunity needed to pivot towards long-term growth. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Emerging. Metric number is 221220690. Today I will briefly explain about the corporate governance of SEO Group Berhad. SEO follows the Malaysian Code on Corporate Governance, which ensures transparency, accountability, and strategy oversight. At the top is the Board of Directors, made up of executive, non-executive, and the independent members. Their role is to guide long-term direction and protect stakeholder interests. Supporting them are three key committees. It is audit, nomination, and the remuneration, which handle internal control, board appointment, and compensation policies. Then next is the top management team, including the CEO and the CFO, take charge of daily operation and business executive, ensuring leadership clarity. Now, as shown in the visual, SEO structure enables good governance flow from the board to operation. However, the improvement are needs, especially by adding the director with digital or sustainability expertise, increasing transparency in executive pay, and also the enhancing the stakeholder communication. Overall, the governance framework is solid, but more change can strengthen trust and long-term resilience. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Hani Nasra binti Muhammad Zali from 21A, matrix number 22122603. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the external environment analysis of SEO Group Berhad using the EFAS framework. The analysis helps us understanding how well the company responds to external opportunities and threats in the business environment. Based on the EFAS table, SEO achieved a total weighted score of 3.4, which shows the company has a strong ability to adapt and respond. Let's begin with the 6 main opportunities SEO can take advantage of. First, Johor's infrastructure development like RTS and Forest City creates huge demand for electrical and construction products. This has the highest weighted score of 0.59, showing it's a major growth driver. Second, the Malaysian government support for electric vehicles and renewable energy aligns with SEO's investment in EV connections in Berhad and has a strong score of 0.54. Third, SEO's expansion into the East Coast through FEMSB opens up new and untapped markets with growing demand for electrical products. Fourth, the post-COVID economic and construction recovery increases infrastructure projects, which also boosts product demand. 5. Malaysia's projected GDP growth of 5 6.3 to 6.3%, aligned with national energy plan supports long-term expansion. Since the increased adoption EVs and green energy incentive continues to raise demand for EV charging systems and electrical supplies. All these opportunities help SCO grow its market, expand its reach, and stay aligned with national development goals. However, SCO also faces the key external threats. First, political and regulatory instability can disrupt planning and operations due to frequent policy changes. Second, global inflation and rising costs of raw materials can affect profit margins. SCO must focus on improving supply chain efficiency and using cost-saving technologies. Third, there is strong competition from online platforms and simultaneous distribution, which puts pressure on SCO to improve its digital presence and customer service. Lastly, talent drain to Singapore remains a concern. Skilled workers leave for better opportunities, which impacts productivity and retention. In conclusion, SCO Group Berhad is in a strong strategic position. The company is well prepared to take advantage of infrastructure growth, EV trends, and national policies. At the same time, SCO must manage threats like cost pressure, political changes, and talent loss. With proactive strategies, strong partnerships, and investment in digital and green technology, SCO can continue to grow and achieve sustainable success. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. My name is Muhammad Nakib bin Jamil. My metric number 22122-0676. Now I will continue to internal environments. Let's now look at the SCO Group's Berhad's internal environments. The company score 3.1 in the internal factory analysis, showing a favorable internal condition. SCO main strategy includes strong partnership, a diversified product portfolio, solid financial and experienced leaderships. This helps the company operate effectively, reduce risk, and support long-term growth. However, SCO also faces some weakness. It is too depends on the Johor markets, has low profit margin, and lack digital presence and effective ERP system. Their factor after the competitive and productivity. To move forward, SCO should focus on national expansions, digitalizers, and improving operation with the right step. This weakness can become strange, supporting SCO's groups in Malaysia evolving electric distribution market. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and greetings to the lecturer. My name is Muhammad Syamil Alim bin Amir, matrix number 221220681. I will be presenting our strategy analysis of SCO Group Berhad, focusing on its strategic position and the formulation of actionable strategies. First, we use the strategic factor analysis summary or SFAS matrix. This helps us identify and weight SCO's key strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You can see the full table here, but the main takeaway is our total weighted score of 3.29. This tells us that SCO is fairly good at responding to important market factors, but there are clear areas needing strategic focus. For example, strong alliance and a diverse product range are SCO's major strengths. Opportunities such as Johor development and the push for EV or renewable energy are also significant. However, weaknesses like a poor online presence and declining profits alongside threats from inflation and online competition are critical challenges that SCO face. Moving on to TOWS matrix. This matrix is a key strategic tool that helps turn analysis into action by matching a company's internal strengths and weaknesses with external opportunities and threats to develop specific strategies. Starting from the top, strength opportunity strategies use SCO strengths to seize chance. For example, leverage global ties and diverse products for Johor's growth or to enter EV and green energy markets. Next is strength threat strategies. Use SCO strength to handle dangers. For instance, use partnerships to manage inflation and costs or a wide product range to beat online rivals. After that is weakness opportunity strategies. Fix weaknesses by using opportunities. This means boosting profits by focusing on growth in Johor and green energy and investing in online presence to capitalize on demand. And last but not least, weakness threat strategies. Reduce weakness to avoid dangers. For example, control costs against inflation and improve online presence to compete directly and fix profit issues. The TOWS matrix is invaluable because it forces strategic thinkers to move beyond merely listening to analytic factors to actively developing concrete strategies. It provides a structured framework for generating a wide range of strategic alternatives, which then serve as the foundation for selecting the most appropriate recommended strategies for the organization's future direction. Finally, based on our entire analysis, we recommend a growth and digital transformation strategy for SCO Group Berhad. This strategy has 4 main ideas. First idea is aggressive market penetration. It focuses intensely on major development projects in Johor to capture higher demand and market share. Second strategy is accelerated digital transformation. It's about investing in technology and e-commerce to improve operations and expand customer reach. The third strategy is strategic focus on EV and renewable energy. It's about prioritizing products like EV chargers and solar systems, aligning with government support and growing market trends. And the fourth strategy is the cost optimization and operational efficiency. It's implement strict cost controls and streamline processes to improve profit margins and financial stability. In essence, SEO has strong potential, but by focusing on digital improvement and desk growth areas, it can overcome challenge and secure a leading position in Malaysia's evolving energy sector. Thank you.
To make sure our strategic plans are successful, SEO has created a clear plan for action and progress tracking. First, we have three main focus areas. First is green energy and smart infrastructure. We want to grow in EV, solar, and smart technology by expanding our product range and working with big brands like ABB and Schneider. Special teams will support major projects like RTRC Johor. Our staff will be trained in EV and smart systems. Second is improving digital systems. We will hire a chief digital officer to lead our digital upgrade. A new ERP system will help manage our supply chain and customer service. In year 2, we'll connect this system to our warehouse, e-commerce, and CRM. We will track this like customer satisfaction and order speed. Third is expanding to new areas. We plan to grow into Kelantan, Terengganu, and Pahang to reduce our reliance on Johor. This will include setting up local hubs, hiring local talent, and aiming for a return on investment of 12 to 15% in 2 years. Next, we will track progress using KPIs like sales, growth, and system updates. Leaders will review progress every quarter. If there are delays, we will take quick actions like using temporary technology tools. To manage risk, we will have backup plans. For example, if a region isn't doing well, we can offer discounts or more promotions. For feedback, we will hold regular town halls, do staff surveys, and check in with partners. Updates will be shared with shareholders through dashboards. Finally, we will stay flexible and focus on long-term goals like sustainability. As we invest more in green energy, we'll consider environmental and social factors in our plans. Every year, we'll review and adjust our strategy to stay current. To sum up, SEO Group Berhad is in a good position to grow in Malaysia's green energy and electrical market. The company has strong partners like ABB and Schneider, a wide range of products, and a stable financial base. There are big opportunities like government support for electrical vehicles, but there are also challenges such as with digital systems, depending too much on Johor, rising prices, online competition, and losing skilled workers. To deal with this, SEO plans to first, grow more in green energy and smart infrastructure, and second, improve digital system with ERP. Lastly is expand to other states like Kelantan and Terengganu. These strategies match SEO's strength with the market opportunities while solving the problems it faces. With good planning, regular checks, and support from staff and leaders, SEO can stay on track. This way, SEO can keep growing and become a top player in clean and smart energy in Malaysia. That is all from me. Thank you.